To fill your text with a picture in Canva, start by adding a heading from the Text tab. Type your text in, use a thick font like Anton for the best effect. Make the text large. Then go to the Elements tab and add a square shape, changing its color. In the Position menu, arrange the layers to place the square behind your text. Change your text color to match your canvas background, which is usually white. Download this design as a PNG file. Drag the PNG back into your project and use the Background Remover tool to delete the white background. Now add the photo you want to use and send it backward in the layers behind the text PNG. Adjust the image position and size so it appears within the boundaries of the color's square shape. Select both the image and text layers and group them together. Finally, change your canvas background color to match your original square color. You can now adjust the size and position of the grouped element as needed.